Hello, cake lovers. Welcome back to Cakes Factory, where creativity meets sweetness. I'm your host, Sumbal Shazadi. Today, I'm blowing with inspiration as we explore 20 fresh and floral spring themed cake that will brighten any celebration. Let's dive into these garden fresh cake ideas. The first one is floral garden buttercream cake, covered in hand-piped spring flowers and leaves, colorful and full of charm. The next is watercolor flower cake, pastel brush stroke with edible blooms. Like an art piece, you can add it. The next is lemon blossom cake, soft yellow sponge with dirty, dainty white flowers, light and citrusy. The next is cherry blossom cake, pink blossom on soft white buttercream, a taste of Japan in spring. The next is spring meadow cake, decorated with grass, daisies, and little ladybugs, cute and whimsical. The next one is lavender filled cake, shades of purple and lavender springs, calming and elegant. The next is Daisy Dream Cake, all white cake with yellow center daisies. Cheerful spring classic. The next is Honeybee Garden Cake, tiny bees, honeycomb texture, and sunflower. Sweet as honey. The next is Butterfly Bloom Cake, colorful butterflies and scattered petals, fluttery and fresh. The next is pastel strip cake, soft color blocks in spring tones, simple yet stunning. The next is rose and greenery cake, realistic roses with buttercream vines, naturally beautiful. The next is mini spring bento cake, pocket-sized floral cakes, perfect for girls or gifts. Spring in a box. The next is carrot patch cake, ideal for Easter topped with fondant carrot and dirt. Fun and festive. The next is pony garden cake, elegant pony blossom with gold leaf accent, sophisticated spring vibes. The next is floral tied wedding cake, delicate flowers cascading down a white tide cake, romantic and seasonal. The next is bird nest cake, edible nest on top with mini candy eggs, cute and playful. The next is tulip cake, bold and bright tulip, pastel across each layer, spring in full bloom. The next is edible pressed flower cake, red edible pastel steel into the frosting, naturally gorgeous. The next is ruffle petal cake, Soft petals, buttercream ruffles, like flower petals. Dreamy texture. The next is floral necked cake. Exposed sponge with fresh seasonal flowers, rustic and pretty. So these are 20 creative flower cake ideas. So which spring cake idea was your favorite? Let us know in the comment below. We would love to hear your thoughts. And if you like this video or love cake videos, don't forget to like this video and share this video to your loved ones or who love baking a lot, and share that person so that they can bake for you a cake like your favorite one on your coming event or special day like birthdays, tea parties, or any occasion on which you want to make a cake like this. Subscribe to Cakes Factory for daily inspiration or daily uploads of trending, creative, and seasonal cake designs. Thank you for watching. Wishing you a sweet and sunny spring. See you in the next one. Till that, take care of yourself and your loved ones. Goodbye.